What's the meaning of bleat? Bleat. Bleat.
Bleat. Bleat. Bleat is a verb that refers to the sound made by sheep, goats, or other animals of similar species. It is a high-pitched, wavering cry, usually indicating distress or seeking attention. Beyond its literal meaning, bleat can also be used metaphorically to describe human behavior that resembles the sound of sheep crying out. For example, someone who complains loudly and persistently about something might be said to bleat like a sheep. Conversely, someone who blindly follows others without thinking for themselves may also be referred to as bleating. Essentially, the term bleat suggests a lack of independence or individuality.